Hello my YouTube friends, it's your cameraman Daniel Drupsky for another update video of this place, and today is February 2nd, 2023, and it's about like 2:12 in the afternoon, and the weather out there is about 39 degrees, and I noticed the door was open. Yep. That's gonna be like a little update. Yep. I didn't expect it, but when time comes. And I do hope you enjoy this little short video of the that place over there across the street. And please comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of the previous the construction videos that we did during the whole month of January. Well, see you again next time if I have more updates about like the constructions and such. Until then, see you later. Enjoy these videos.